Okay, so this is just so bright. It's so bright, like I don't even know what to do. It's just so bright. It's just... So I received this package from MVMT. I don't know what that stands for, but they sent me a watch and some glasses, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. It comes in these nice boxes. I don't know which one is which. I'm just gonna assume this is the watch and this is the watch and these are the glasses. This is the box that it comes in. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably already have seen these on my Instagram. But here is the box without it being in that package thing. And dropping stuff. This is a welcome letter from them, as well as a picture with some of their products. This is like really nice packaging, guys, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the sunglasses case. This is nice. Oh, I like this. They have very nice packaging. Wow, I've never seen a sunglass box like this before. You open it and like, I usually lose all my sunglasses, like their box. I'm gonna have to keep these. And they got like this little wiper thing and then the case, of course. And these are the glasses. Y'all, these cute AF. And they come with a little tag on the side. This is what they look like. Is it gonna zoom, y'all? I don't know if it's gonna focus on the glasses. But these are the glasses. And I'm gonna put them on my face so you guys can see them as well. In the inside, it says Rival Slim, and then it says on this side, join the MVMT. I should really see what that means because I don't even know what that means. These cute. I wonder if these are the blue light glasses, because they're kind of helping. But these cute. Okay. Let me see. Let me see what I'm looking like. What you looking like, girl? So now let's undo. Oh, look at the little box. It's cute. Okay, so now let's unpackage the watch. It looks like it's in a cologne box. This is the box. They really have some nice packaging. I'm not even gonna cap to you guys. Like, these boxes are so sturdy. Like, these are like the boxes that you keep, okay? It comes with instructions. And here's my watch. And they actually have the links already out. So I'm hoping the watch is not too big, because usually they're too big for my wrist. But this looks like this will fit. Make me excited. Make me excited. Y'all, I really think this is gonna fit. Oh, and it do fit. Yes. This is my final review for my MVT watch. Check them out, okay? And I'm gonna see y'all in the car. Okay, y'all, so I look real greasy.
Auto insurance is so expensive. $85 a month?
Yeah. I look greasy right now. I put some damn sunscreen on and it makes me look greasy for some reason.
US agencies saved me $100 on my car insurance, and they could save you money too.
I'm calling it now.
I try to. I haven't, but since I've been doing my skincare, I've been trying to do it, but it makes my face a little greasy. But y'all, I'm finna go in the nail shop. Don't play with me. Let's go. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna record in the nail shop because I don't even like recording in the nail shop, so I'll be back when I'm done. What's good, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing y'all some of the pieces that I ordered from Misguided and Pretty Little Thing. I also ordered from Mistress Rocks, but it's not here yet. So I'm also packing, y'all, so this is gonna be very quick. I'm not probably gonna go into detail, but I will leave the links down below for you guys. So this is my this is a bodysuit. Everything I order in the size 4 or a size small, and this is from Missguided. I don't really know how to feel about it. It's like open right here. It's okay. It's okay to me. It's maybe not this hair, but I think it could be cute. It has potential to be very cute. Okay, this is different, and this is big. This is, I don't know, I guess I'm used to tight fitting stuff, y'all, so this is big. But I ordered this 2-piece, this waffle set 2-piece. Clearly it's gray and a size 4. And I don't really know how I feel about it. It's just big. This is definitely different than I expected. I don't know, I don't even know what I really expected out of this. But the skirts are just not doing it for me. Like, I honestly could have went, like, if you like your clothes tight fitting, then I could have honestly went down size. But it's like the perfect size. Like, I don't know. This might be the first thing that I actually like. The pants. The pants are from Missguided. The shirt is from H&M. These are in a size 4, and I like these, y'all, a lot. Let me back up so y'all can see. I like these a lot. Yeah, it's not giving what it needs to give. Oh, I like that. Dress it up. Okay, y'all. So, do you hear when I move? Yeah. So the shirt is from Missguided. The shorts are from Pretty Little Thing, and they're ugly. I probably could finesse them in a picture, but I would never wear these out. And they stink. They smell like fish. And yeah, they're like tight as fuck. So this is from Pretty Little Thing, and this is a bodysuit, and it's like side boob action, and then like their floaty shorts. These are so cute. I honestly probably could have went down a size, but they're fine. So if you know, then you know why I bought this set. It looks like that thing that Lori Harvey wore, but it ain't for the skinny female, so I'm just saying that now. It's for the thick bitches. But I'm still gonna wear my shit because I kind of like it a little bit, but I'm gonna have to do something with this. This gonna have to get something done to it. And I think with my makeup and my heels, it'll be cute. So we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe this won't get worn and it'll just sit in the closet for a year. Who knows? But yeah, so Pretty Little Thing. This is like a 6. Okay, so y'all, at this point, I think that these shirts just don't look good on me. Because this has not been the first time that I've ordered a shirt like this. And it just, I don't know if I just don't know how to style it right, or if it's just not for your girl. But y'all can kind of see where I was going. This is probably like the worst Fashion Nova thing that I've ever, Pretty Little Thing that I've ever done. I'm upset. Like, I want to send it back upset. And if you know me, I don't send nothing back. Ever. I keep it. All right, y'all, so this is from Pretty Little Thing as well. It's a bodysuit and some sweatpants. And I ordered this in brown as well, but I'm not trying that one on because my camera keep telling me card is full and I don't have time for this. And I'm trying to pack, and every other outfit came out ugly. So now I gotta see what I'm gonna pack. But this concludes my little try on haul thingy, and okay, y'all. So, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Can I stomach? No. Okay. We're gonna take a shot, and I'm trying to decide if I should wear this or not, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, we trying this new tequila that has went viral. Everybody's saying this shit worse than the Casamigos.
Oh Lord, why did I pick that one?
So, yeah. We're gonna try this out tonight. You ready?
Yeah, she will pick the look like.
You like my messy right here? Okay, let's go. I don't got time. Cheers to getting our ass there. Oh yeah. Misha, happy birthday! Okay. Ooh. It's real smooth.
Smooth.
It got a little burn at the end, but
I don't have hair on my chest.
yeah, because I feel mine.
Okay, I gotta finish getting dressed.
Me too.
Bye, Lani 24K gang. See y'all in the well.
And I gotta do my nails.
I gotta finish my one leg.
How long it take to get there? Okay, I could do my nails in the car then. My camera finna die. I'm drunk. Okay, y'all. I'm drunk, but look at me still getting content for you guys. I'm so proud of myself. Go me. But I'm drunk, and we're finna see where the night follows. I'm probably not finna come back to y'all until brunch tomorrow, so I just wanted to close the vlog out for today because I've been vlogging today. Aren't y'all proud of me? I'm proud of me. So I'm drunk. And yes, and I just want to say, if y'all not subscribed to your girl, subscribe to your girl, because what the fuck y'all doing? Okay, I'm done talking because I ain't got nothing else to say, and I'm drunk.
I love you everything.
Say you love me, Lani.
I love Lani.
This is it. I like this song. I like this song. I don't even know what this song is. Yeah, put me on. Not me still trying to vlog. Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you're so smart. Everybody.
Do we need a filter?
That don't matter for me. Up to you.
I love the comment. It don't matter for me either.
My hair. Okay.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's the shot challenge.
Hey, I got my shot.
Okay, I got mine too, and I got my chaser. You ready?
I gotta take it like this.
Alright, I'm gonna take mine too, baby.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
I ain't even. I took a sip.
Ah!
We still turn. Oh my god. Got ass. Oh, girlfriend. Yes. Yeah. Oh, that thing banging.
Hey, yeah, that's it.
Little booties matter.
Back in 2015.
Guess who got a pee? You. Me.
Who was driving? Who was driving? Tina. All right now. Yeah. Baby, you got to stay off them brakes. Yeah. I was on my brake line. I was kicking them hoes.
Kevin.
No, his name is David on the name tag.
He look like a Kevin.
He look like a Chase ass donkey looking.
What's going on, guys? My name is Darren.
Darren, okay.
I'm your elevator attendant for Keilani. Are there any first timers in this elevator? First timers in this elevator? Air hugs to you guys. Welcome in, welcome in. Is anybody nervous at all? No. Everybody good? That's great news.
Where's the restroom?
So when we get to the top,
24K game. Look at me doing my job. Don't fuck with me.
She gonna work this week, y'all. She ain't worked all month. She gonna work this weekend.
Bitch, I ain't worked all year. I ain't worked all year.
We gonna get you together.
Bitch, we back. I had to come back, Lonnie 24K.
Let us know who you with. Lonnie 24K gang. Please go subscribe. Lonnie 24K.
We're going that way. Darren.
we'll see after y'all had a few drinks.
We already had some drinks, Darren.
When your man call you and be like, he in town, you get all excited, and then he be like, all right, babe, I'm gonna pull up to the house. I'm at home. Nigga, you in Florida?
It's the birthday bitch for me. It's the birthday bitch for me. Cause who ain't got no ass? Little booties matter. Don't fuck with that bit meats to you hoes. Bit meats to these hoes. Let's see what's about to happen next, okay? Wop, wop, wop. Wop, wop, wop. Water, water, water. Oh my God, number strong. You got me.
I got you. Turn around, drunk as fuck.
Now me swinging the legs. It's a seatbelt. Okay. 1, 2. You ready? Wait, we all dropping? 1,
What's up, y'all? So we're finna go to the airport and get me a new rental car because the brakes done went out on this motherfucker.
I only pushed it to 120. God damn.
This bitch done made the brakes go out on the Hellcat. This is SRT.
Slide this phone. But you was home last night.